everybody, it's Keith with Bob CNC. I'm here today with my best friend Bob.
And I'm here today with my best friend Keith.
And we want to talk to you today about something that we do here to try to add value, give you the most bang you can get for your buck, and that is...
You stay awake most of the day.
I don't know if that's valuable or not.
Okay, well,
but what
we're
we're talking about is the opportunity to buy an upgrade kit.
Right.
And the reason we do this is, well, for example, when we first introduced the E3 almost 3 years ago,
right,
we had a lot of success with it. We've had a lot of happy customers with it, but we also got a lot of requests for a larger format.
Right.
People wanted to be at least 24 by 24.
Right.
But in order to do a 24 by 24 machine, it kind of leaves some people who had just bought an E3 with a smaller format.
Right.
So you came up with a way to deal with that.
Actually, we decided that we would try to do an E3 to E4 upgrade kit.
Right.
Right. So that you basically would have to take apart all of your E3 and, you know, rest in peace, I think one of the Facebook customers said. And then you would start with your E4. So you don't, when you buy an E3 to E4 kit, you don't get two
separate
CNC
motors.
routers.
Yeah.
You get to take the parts off of your E3,
right,
salvage it, and then put it on
well,
the E4.
Makes sense.
And you get to save a lot of money. So
right,
you can have the E4 with the E3 components.
Right.
But we have some other upgrades. The one that we have from a long time ago is we had the E3 from, it was before August of 2018,
Yep.
They had a different design. So we have a YZ upgrade kit that those folks can buy that. Now, if you bought yours after August 2018, you don't need it.
No, it's already
What
included.
really happened was when we were designing the E4, we thought, well, we could make these improvements, and we thought, wow, them would work for the E3. So we offered that upgrade kit.
Right.
Now, at the time, back in August, we were really offering that at cost because we wanted our E3 customers
Right,
and
to
our
get the
new
value.
E4 customers to get the value. So,
Right.
yeah, our bottom line is we're trying to get you into the best situation possible so that you can have the latest and greatest machine.
It's what simple, cost-effective design is all about.
I think
it makes you just warm and fuzzy, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Well, anyway, guys, if you have any questions about our products, you can get a hold of us at the help desk at bobcnc.com, or if in using our products you have some ideas for improvements, you've got some things you want to tell us about, please let us know. And if we can incorporate them, that's exactly what we'll do.
Absolutely. We did that with the DeWalt and the Makita and the spindle. You know, that was really customer driven. So if you guys have ideas and, you know, we can help out because, you know, we have the engineering experience here and some laser stuff. That's what we like to do.
Yep.
Then we'll definitely do that. I enjoy looking at the entrepreneurs out there creating stuff.
Oh, there's some awesome stuff.
Yeah, belt tensioners and dust, you know, collection or removal system.
Correct.
So, and the names that they come up with them is pretty cool too.
Yeah, Bob and Bobette and Bob and Bob, and then I'm working
sick.
with Bob.
You guys need professional help. Anyway, guys, until next time, we'll see you.
Yeah, we will.